Hello everyone, welcome to the connected world of Tajurba Business Network. I hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy and taking all day to day precautions. Be safe, be healthy, and try and help your near and dear ones in your capacity. This is Lohit Rishi with you from D Concepts, experts of steel, UPVC, aluminium doors and windows. We provide darwaze jo daya bhi na tod paye. And today I have a great pleasure in announcing that our Tajurba app is now live and available for download from Google Play Stores and Apple iStores. Please go ahead and download Tajurba app and enjoy the connected world of Tajurba Business Network, where you can grow yourself and your business multifolds. With Tajurba app, you are connected with people across Tajurba family pan India. Let us begin with a brief demo of app features and menus for your better understanding when you are a first time user. First of all, we need to go to Play Store. Since this is an Android phone, you need to go to Play Store. For Apple, you need to go to iOS, and in the search, just type Tajurba. With the search options, you will see Tajurba app with a blue icon developed by BizBrawly. Our very own Mr. Arun Mishra has developed the app from BizBrawly. Thank you, Arun sir, for such wonderful app and its feature. Just install the app. Since mine is installed, I will just straightforward go ahead and open the app. You will be welcomed with this welcome screen which says welcome to Tajurba 2.0. Now over here, this is a very important information. All the existing users and members of Tajurba who are using Tajurba 1.0 need to log in into the app straightforward. They do not need to register. All the new users need to go to register screen, and over there you will see the small form that you have to fill. Just fill in the information, that is your email ID, name, phone number, create your password, click on register. Once you click on register, you will receive an OTP on your email ID. Enter that OTP and you're good to go. Now since I'm already a registered user, I'll just straightforward go and log in into the screen. There you go. Entering my password. There you go, the beautiful welcome home screen. Now over here on the top you will see a banner scrolling. Over here you will receive all the latest information of upcoming meetings, trainings and sessions to keep you updated. Now this next is your category. Since this is a gold members account, just click on the seal and you will see all the benefits of gold membership. Now next is all the activities that you do in Tajurba on day-to-day basis, that is BDMs, business development, bonding development meetings, business that you exchange or receive, the referrals that you exchange. Now whenever you do an activity, you need to punch in that activity in the app. So straightforward, when you enter the app, you see the home screen, and then straightforward you can go into BDM. If you've done a BDM with some person, just click on the name, just click, I'll enter a quick BDM with Mukesh Pandey sir, chapter finished. I did a BDM with him today. Time is around 10 a.m. I did. Now a brief about a BDM, that he's an awesome loan provider and obviously an awesome person as well, we all know. Provider, add, done. BDM added successfully. Whenever you're refreshing the page, you'll be going back, entering BDM is added 27th April. Now again same is with the business. Now you have to make sure of one thing. Whenever you're making entry of business is that you have received, not the business that you've given. Any business that you have received, for which you have received the money, only that you have to go into enter over here, nothing else. Now supposedly Mr. Amit Chaturvedi passed a referral to me, and I've closed that business for say 15 lakh rupees, and that was for steel and UPVC doors and windows. I'm thanking Mr. Amit Chaturvedi for a closed business of 15 lakhs with of steel doors and UPVC windows. Done. Business added successfully. Whenever I refresh the screen, I'll see the amount over here, right over here. There you go, 27th April. Similar way, referrals is that you give, business is what you receive. So I would like to pass on a referral of XYZ. This is for demo purpose, so that's the reason you have to enter the correct information all the time. So let's pass on a referral to Akshay Kapoor. So one of my customer is looking for designing of home. He's an awesome architect. There you go, added. Now whenever we refresh again, referral page, added. This is how you do all the activities in Tajurba app. Now the very important and the latest feature of our app, a game changer in the industry, I would say, lead section. All the networking platforms that you see, they do not provide the lead section. Now till date what we were doing is whatever requirement we had, we were posting it in the Tajurba WhatsApp groups. We have changed that. All the requirements that you have, you can post it right here, and every member of our family can see according to their business categories and the level of membership. They can see the requirement, fulfill your requirements. Now let's go to your needs. Now supposedly if I have a requirement of, let's say, curtains, so I need curtains for my home. That's a description, and I can even post a picture of a section where I want to put the curtains, so for the better understanding of the person that what exactly is my need. You can go from the gallery, you can attach the image from the gallery, or you can click a picture right ahead. Now you need to select the category with which this requirement lies under. Since this is curtains, this lies under the home furnishing category. There you go. We have Neeraj Mangla with us in the category from Walls and Gallery in the category of home furnishing, and he deals in curtains. So when I post this requirement, there you go, submit. When I submit this requirement goes into the all lead section, verified, and it will showcase and it will show a notification in the app of Mr. Neeraj Mangla, because since he is into the category of home furnishing, so he would receive a requirement that Lohit Rishi is looking for curtains, and you can go ahead and fulfill his requirement or deal with him. Once the requirement is confirmed and done, what we need to do is we need to mark the requirement closed over here. If I have got the received the services and I'm satisfied and happy, I can just mark the requirement as closed. Once I mark the requirement closed, it closes. Let's go ahead and punch one more requirement. Say I need gifts and gifting options needed for my suppliers. Again, attachment can be done, and in the gifting we have corporate gifting over here. We have Rupali Juneja from Ecstasy Exports in the category of gifting. Once we submit this requirement, it says post directly to her inbox, and she would receive a notification that Lohit Rishi is looking for gifting requirements, has some gifting requirements, kindly connect and close the lead. So this is an awesome, super awesome feature. Please go ahead and explore it, and happy networking with all the members. Now this is the section of members over here. In the members section, we have a categorization of, if you see, gold, silver and bronze. You can see all the members over here in the Phoenix family from your membership level and below. Supposedly I'm from the gold membership level, so I can see all the gold members as well as silver members as well as bronze members. Now if I want to search a member, I can straightforward go and search a member over here. If I want to search only the silver members, I can see only the silver members. If I want to see only the bronze members, I can see only the bronze members. That's a super awesome search that has been developed by Arun Mishra sir. Now moving forward to TBN section, the most important section. TBN section, you will see all the activities of your relevant chapter. Now if you see again in TBN, I'm the member of Phoenix chapter, so if I click on Phoenix, I can see all the members of Phoenix over here, right over here, all the members of Phoenix. That's the fee structure. Now if you see the top tab that says meeting, visitors, BDMs, business, referrals, if I click on meetings, I will see all the meetings of Phoenix, upcoming meetings, previous meetings, all the activities I've done in this meeting. I can mark myself attending, not attending, even if I'm sending a substitute. Not attending is not an option, but we've still added this feature if somebody wants to use it, but there is not an option of not attending, either attending or either send a substitute. Now that's the future meetings. You can see all the future meetings are over here. Now if you go back again to Phoenix, now again if you see closely, no matter which tab you're in, if you're in home section, if you're in TBN, you can anytime enter your referrals, BDMs and business given. So we are making it very easy for you to enter your statistics from any given point of screen. You can click on plus, you can add your BDM right over here, you can give referral right over here. Now similar way, let's move to TBN again. Now in this TBN section, once we enter the Phoenix chapter, you will see visitors tab. You can keep the track of all the visitors that have visited your chapter till date. Yes, you will have all the data with you available at any given point of time. You do not need to go anywhere else. You don't need to ask any of your fellow members that who was the visitor, what exactly is happening in your chapter. You can keep track of all the details, visitors, BDMs, business, whatever business is happening in your chapter, you'll be updated right over here. If it's your business, if it's your fellow members' business, every detail you'll see right over here in this section. Similarly, now let's move to profile section. Beautifully designed. It has been completely revamped and beautifully designed. Now this is my profile. I will be adding my picture since a new profile I've created. Now I've added a picture. You can add your picture over here, your business category. You can write about yourself. What exactly do you do? Your email ID, your contact information, your give, your ask. Everything can be mentioned over here. Now, see this nifty scroll feature? It's super awesome. You can see your clusters that you're part of, your affiliate summary, all your data, whatever BDMs you have done. Since it is your profile, over here you will see for what you have done, your business activities, your referrals that you have passed and received, your visitors, your attendance, all your details regarding your profile, your membership is right on your fingertips in your profile section. Now Arun sir has added a very beautiful feature in the profile section, that is products and services. Sometimes you read the category of the person, but you're not able to understand what exactly the person does. Since mine is steel doors, not many people understand that they are steel doors in wooden finish. They actually look like wood, feel like wood, and even sound like wood. So what he has provided is I can post pictures of products and services that are dealing. Click on products, click on the item name. I'll just quickly create one for you. Steel window door, category steel doors, attachment. Now I'll add image to that. Steel doors, there you go. Cost is 26,500. Submit. It is adding my product added successfully. Super easy, no if and but, it's straightforward. The product will be added, and once you go into the profile section, there you go, the new door added. Now anybody and everybody who's visiting my profile can see that what exactly I deal in, so there is no ambiguity, and they can easily refer me, they can easily connect with me for the things that they require. This is a super awesome features. This goes same for the products and the services as well. Somebody is into services, they can post their services as well with the description that what all services they provide, categories and attachment. Wonderful feature. Thank you Arun sir for creating this. See, steel door category, 2 different categories created. Wonderful feature. On the top right you see how others will see your profile. This is how my profile is visible to all the other people. Now this is my segment. I have not changed the segment over here. Then how many people are following me, how many followers do I have. Then share option, I can share the profile right from here. If you like somebody else's profile, you want to share it with your prospect referral, you can click on this, share it on your WhatsApp and WhatsApp message or whatever way you feel like. Even email this thing to your fellow members. Now there is a review section over here. Whosoever has received services from you, now this is a wonderful feature. Now if you want to judge how good the other person is, how good his products and services are, you can see the reviews over here. And only the person who has received the services, who has taken the services or products from someone, can post a review. So these are genuine reviews. So I would request everyone, now keep servicing your clients and your fellow members and take as many reviews as possible. This is going to increase your credibility and your profile visibility. Now in this last section you will see my attendance, my visitors, all the stats of your regarding your membership. Now if you go into settings, you can see all the policies and terms and conditions, and powered by BizBrolly. Now this is a super awesome app developed by Mr. Arun Mishra. I would request all the members to go ahead, download and start using the app. Now for thanking note, I would, from bottom of my heart, I would like to thank our visionaries and founders of Tajurba Business Network, Mr. Suresh Mansharmani and Mrs. Uma Mansharmani, for creating such a beautiful platform, Tajurba Business Network. Also, I would like to thank our National Director, Mr. Shalendra Chaurasia, for his valuable inputs and efforts at every stage to make this a reality. Last but not the least, Mr. Arun Mishra from BizBrawly for bringing the ideas and visions into reality by creating such beautiful app. Thank you, members. Thank you. Go ahead and download the app and start using Tajurba 2.0. Welcome to the connected world of Tajurba Business Network. Thank you.